So in the last video, I was talking about these LED signs, which are very impressive. They're very impressive. However, they're using a technology that now is a little bit dated in that they're portrait LCD panels stitched together so you can see all of the edges. Now, compared to the screen I just showed you, this is now suddenly not as quite as vibrant as it was before. Right? See? Still impressive.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get me wrong, but think about the amount of engineering that had to go into this, because you had to do 6 screens, put the portrait, put them inside some framing, put some glass in front of them, do all of these things.
Yeah.
And LCD panels, thing about LCD panels is the lights get less bright every year, fade out. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this will run for 5, 6, 7, 8 years. It'll look fantastic until it doesn't. Okay? Now, this airport didn't spend just a little bit of money. They spent a ton of money, because that's not just one panel. Take a look. Every single gate in this place has one of these installations. See that? I don't know if you can
Yep.
see it all the way down. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a massive amount of money they would have spent on this. And for me, I wish we could turn back time. I wish they knew about us. Because this, in our language, is about, you could probably do, I don't know, 1,200 pixels wide, right? Super tight pixel pitch of an LCD panel, right? Oh, sorry, LED lights. And you can do exactly the same thing, so much better. Understand? Any questions?
Nope.
Okay, let's go on to the next installation. Stop recording, I'll show you the next one.